How to fix RAW HDD partition without software and no data loss. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix the RAW HDD partition without software and no data loss. So without any delay, let us just jump right into the solutions. For that, the first thing you need to do is open up your file manager. Go ahead and open up your file manager. And after that, go to this PC here on this file manager after this Windows appears on your screen, and right click on it. And after right clicking on it, go to manage, this option right here, fourth one, and open it up, and this will appear on your screen. So after this opens up under computer management, this local, the next thing you need to do is go to storage, open it up, and after that, go to open management again, and data management, disk management. After going to disk management, here on the screen this will appear your Windows partition if you have any, and right now I have this Windows partition H. So if you want to fix that issue, fix the partition without software and no data loss, you can follow up this method. So you can just go ahead and close up your computer management and your file manager as well, and before closing you can find your file partition here. So the next thing you can do is, after locating them, the next thing you can do is just go ahead and type in cmd in your search bar. After that, go and open it as administrator, run it as administrator. Once it is done, Windows will appear on your screen. So the next thing you need to go ahead and type in is chkdsk space / and after that type in F and space and type in your disk name, the partition one. For example, mine is H. So you can go ahead and type in any if you have AVG, CD, EF, any. After that, press enter and you'll be finding it running here if it is not working properly, but mine is working completely fine. So after that is done, the next thing you need to do is go to your file manager again and try reopening your volume disk. See if that opens or not. If that still doesn't open, what you need to do is right click on it and head over to properties. And after opening it up, your new volume properties, your partition disk, the next thing you can do is head over to the security. After going to security, you need to go to advanced, and after going to advanced here, go to this genes, open it up, and here this select user or group will appear. So the next thing you need to type is authenticated users. Under this, enter the description and check names after that, and click on OK. You can go ahead and tap on this, click check names. After that, click on OK and apply it again, and click on OK again and cross it out. After that is done, again try opening it up, and if that doesn't open up, again right click on it and go to properties. And after going to properties, again go to security. After going to security, this time go to edit. And after going to edit, under this go to add, and again right here under here authenticated users, just go ahead and type in under this description section. After that, click on OK again and apply it and see. So basically these are the solutions you can apply up in order to fix the partition without software and no data loss. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.